Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So we built an indicator which we'll be using today for analysis. This is known as the break of structure indicators. If you know about smart money concept, then this is the indicator that is built for the same concept. So I want us to look at it from where we expect the price to go to, what is the higher time frame telling us, and what we expect to be happening based on what we have on the higher time frame. So we do have a very good resistance zone. This is like the supply zone here. This is the first one. The next supply zone is this one. The next one is this one. And the other one which has not been drawn is the one we have at the top, which is this one. So technically, this is what we are looking at, this zone, the ultimate upper zone. We also have a zone here, we have a zone here, and we have some zone where the price is now. Then we have a lower zone. This is like a demand zone. It's not like, this is actually a demand zone. We also have another demand zone here, and we have another one here. So technically, those are the zones we are looking at. We are looking for sell positions when the price reaches the supply zones, and when the price reaches the demand zones, we will be looking for buy positions. So expect a sell here, or a sell here, or a buy here, or a buy somewhere there. If the price should descend and close below any of these zones or above any of these zones, then that will be a good sign that we may see the price continue in that given direction. So we are going to look at our next instrument. We are going to look at Euro USD. So with the Euro USD so far, we are having a very good demand zone here. You can see it's a very good resistance level. This is another very good resistance level. We have a level. This is a zone. It is like a mixture of support and resistance. Then you have a support here, and we have another support here. So as it is right now, if the price goes up and touches these two lines, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. If the price should break and close above this line, then the next zone is this one. We have a very good buy here. We have a very good buy here. And we do have a very good buy here. Does that make sense? So this is my opinion on that chart. We had a bearish break of structure, which indicated a sell, and you guys can see the price indeed just went downwards. So this was a very good continuation sign. You could have taken a sell after this breakout. Still, even now, you can still look for sell positions, but only if the price breaks below these green zones, the supply zones. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil so far, if you check the 4 hours time frame, we are looking at this zone. This is a very good demand zone. We have another demand zone here. We have a demand zone where the price is not. So this is a supply zone. Sorry, we have another supply zone. Then right below it, we have a very good. This is a demand zone. This is a demand zone. There is none. So there is none below this zone here. So we are basically just looking for buy positions from here, or here, or here, or here. So expect a sell either here or here, or expect a buy from this point or from this point here. Does that make sense? So my next chart is a GBP USD. GBP USD so far, nothing much appears to be happening, but our zones are also there. So we do have a very good supply zone here, a supply zone there, a supply zone, and a supply zone. And we have another one at the very top here. So technically, if the price can go up and touch this line here, that will give us a very good place to look for a sell from. So we may also be looking for buy positions here. We have this, and we have this one here. Now that's my opinion on those charts. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, BTC USD Bitcoin. So with the Bitcoin so far, we are just around, this is a very good demand zone. This is this level here. This is a very good demand zone. We have another good demand zone here. We have another one here. And then we have a very good resistance level, which is there. So technically, this is a good place to look for a buy from, back towards this level. If the price descends below this line, expect it to continue downwards towards the next level, which is this zone. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.